Hi everybody, I'm Joel. I'm your Student Success Coordinator at AXE. I'm actually standing right in front of the AXE office. This is the general office. My office is in here, Kevin O'Coin's office, Priscilla Kim's, Allie's is in here as well, the whole team. So please come visit us for anything at all. As you can see over here, this is where the foyer is, where all these tables are. So you can hang out there if you want, but just so you can see in relation to the AXE office where things are. Right now I'm going to show you the graduate Collegium, because I know for me as a student, I came into the Collegium the first time and I was like, what do I do? Like, can I take the food? Do I not take the food? Like, how does this work to pay for it? Can I go in the fridge? So I kind of felt like I didn't know what I was doing, and I want to help you guys so that you know what you're doing. So why don't we go to the Collegium? It's just down this hallway. Through these doors. The first thing I want to show you is how to print something. So you can actually use the computers in here to print. You know, for some reason you come to campus, you're like, oh crap, I forgot to print my essay, then you can do it right here. So once you come around the corner, log in. Make sure when you use for your username, it's your mytwu.ca username. And while that's loading, I'll show you the rest of the Collegium. So over here, this right here is Kathy.
Hi everyone, Kathy, I'm on shift today.
Yeah, she's our graduate assistant, and each day there's different graduate assistants. They're here to help you with anything at all, answer your questions about the Collegium, or absolutely anything. And so over here we have study rooms, so you can actually book each of these study rooms if you want. So the way to do that is that you would come over here, you'd talk to Kathy and say, hey Kathy, I want to book a study room. So she marks you down on her little spreadsheet here, and you're good to go. So you can have a nice private study session. Something to note with these study rooms is that when you're done, you will need to sanitize the desk and wipe it, and I'll show you where those materials are, just over here. Got a beautiful fireplace. Over here, right here, got a paper towel and sanitizer. That's where you're gonna get it when you need to sanitize the study rooms. Here we got some cookies, some muffins, fruit, some snacks, some chips and stuff. And so we call this the honor bar. So you can see it's not very expensive, it's pretty nice. And we just ask that you respect the honor bar. Whenever you take something, just put the money in here. You know, there has been some reports of people who don't pay, and that's not very honorable. So we just want to respect the space and make sure we all can use it and continue to use it for a long time together. Over here, one of the best parts about this Collegium is that you can actually go inside the fridge. So over here, we got pop, we got juice, we got some cream for your coffee if you want. So you have access to all this stuff. Over here, all this stuff too, you also have access to. We got cups, there's mugs and plates and things. Some bread, if you want some bread, jam and butter and peanut butter and stuff. So we just ask that when you use a dish, if you could just put it in the dishwasher here, that'd be awesome. But if you find that the dishwasher is full and clean, then you can just put dirty dishes up here. Over here we have microwaves, which are pretty self-explanatory. And then over here, we have the coffee section. So you can get some coffee, there's drip coffee, there's hot water, we got tea. Something that's amazing about the Collegium, you get 1 free cup of coffee a day or a free cup of tea a day. And we just ask that, you know, every subsequent cup you have, if you could just pay 75 cents in that tub, like I showed you, that would be amazing. I actually didn't know about this. I found out about this like 2 weeks ago, and I've been a student here for like a year. So pretty amazing that you have access to that. So over here, we have a great place to study and eat. Got some couches right by the fireplace, nice and cozy. You can lounge, chill with your friends. And something to note in the Collegium that you have to have your mask on at all times. You only don't need to have it on when you're eating or drinking, but unfortunately, even when you're sitting there stationary studying, you still gotta have your mask on. So sorry about that, but that's just the rules. So why don't we come back over here and I'll show you how to print. So basically, just if you go to your Google Doc or your Word document, just print like you normally would, and it'll print automatically in this printer. But something that I want to show you is there's this paper cut app. You can see in the bottom right corner here, or if you can't see it, you can just type it in the search bar, paper cut. So you can click on it and then you can log in. Same login as your TWU login. And something I want to show you is that you can add money to this. So each sheet is about 8 cents. I think you get about 5 to 10 free sheets of paper of printing. I'm not totally sure about that, but you can add money right here. So add credit onto your credit card here. So you want $5 on your thing, then you just add value, and then you have to put in your credit card information. But yeah, so that's basically everything about the Collegium. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope that it's helpful to you. Hope it doesn't make you feel like I felt, where I didn't know what I was doing. Thanks again, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks.